Welcome to M365 Professional. If you email the same group of people, often create a contact list in Outlook. On the navigation bar, select the people icon. Then select New Contact. New Contact List. Name your contact list. I'll name this My Team. Start typing a name or email address. Select all the people you want to add from the suggestions. You can also type in an email address to add to the list. Select Add. Need to remove a member. Click on the X next to their name to remove them from the list. When you are finished, select Create, and your new contact list appears. So when you send an email, you'll find your contact list just like your other contacts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.